I know I'm not the right person to talk about this kind of stuffs. You will need at least a YouTube Studio app. You will be eligible to create only one AdSense account. For me, I created this AdSense account maybe 5 to 6 years ago. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Actually, I'm searching a right place where I can sit properly and talk about, yes, YouTube monetization in Bhutan. I know you all came here because of the thumbnail and the title that I've kept. So yes, definitely I'm going to talk about YouTube monetization in Bhutan. And trust me, you will not find anywhere this information in Bhutanese YouTubers. By the way, I'm inside the jungle. See, I couldn't find the proper place where I can sit and then talk about that thing. Now I will sit here and talk about YouTube monetization. So watch till the end. It is going to be really interesting. Alright then, now let's begin the actual topic. So is Bhutan part of YouTube partnership program? If you are thinking and if you ask me this question, then I would like to say that no, Bhutan is not the part of YPP. But that doesn't mean we cannot earn in Bhutan. We can still earn in Bhutan with the help of YouTube. I know I'm not the right person to talk about this kind of stuffs, but then even if it benefits one person, it serves my purpose. So with this notion, with this intention, today I'll just cover whatever I have experienced, with the I'll try to cover whatever I know about YouTube monetization in Bhutan. So, first thing is you need to create YouTube account. You'll have to create email account. After creating YouTube account, of course, there are certain procedures. If you come across any problem, let me know. And after creating YouTube account, you can create a YouTube channel. It is very simple. So after creating YouTube channel, what you do is next thing is you'll have to upload a video. And when you upload video, it has to be original one. And I would recommend you to go for something that would make others helpful. By watching your video, it has to be very helpful for the other people, because when they give time, you'll have to give back in the form of video. You'll have to add value in their life. After publishing video, now first criteria to get your YouTube monetized is 4,000 watch hour, 1,000 subscriber, and in case of short videos, within 3 months there should be at least 3 million views. I think I'm just mixing up and down. Anyways, when you're creating a YouTube account, you can set your country in which they have YouTube partnership program. Some people they keep Australia, some even keep America. It is your choice, but it has to be a country in which they have YouTube partnership program. After 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscriber, then you are eligible to get your YouTube monetized. But again, the question is, if your videos have copyright issues, if you are uploading someone's video, then I think there's hardly any chances that you will get your YouTube monetized. Therefore, upload videos that are original, your own content. Even when you reach 500 subscriber, there's one feature from YouTube in which you are eligible to get super thanks. People can join your YouTube as a member and support you from their own pocket. I think you can enable that feature as well. Super thanks has really helped me to monetize my YouTube in a very smooth and a fast way. I've used Google Chrome to browse and then register everything about YouTube. After 500, when you have enabled your super thanks, They will also enable a feature in which you'll have to register AdSense. I think most of the YouTubers in Bhutan are facing these issues. Now, what is AdSense account? When your YouTube is generating money, it will be transferred to AdSense account, and from AdSense account only it will be transferred to your personal account. So AdSense account is the medium. No matter, even if you have 10 or 15 YouTube account, you will be eligible to create only one AdSense account. When you're creating AdSense account, you'll need your personal details. Give your true personal details. For me, I created this AdSense account maybe 5 to 6 years ago. I have my blogging account in which I have written about the pilgrimage that I've taken over the past few years. So that has helped me to create AdSense account, and with that AdSense account I have linked in my current YouTube account. It wasn't a problem for me. You'll be asked to link with the YouTube, so your dollar gets transferred to your AdSense account. Now the thing is, again, when you have reached $10, at least $10 is the minimum requirement. When your YouTube account has reached $10, insert 6-digit pin, which they will be sent through post, okay, through Bhutan Post. Yeah, you'll have to check Bhutan Post time and again, and that's where I am stuck. So I am waiting for my 6-digit pin, and I hope it will reach here sooner or later. And there are again certain rules and regulations in which they will ask you to insert that pin within 4 months period, and if you fail, then again there are other requirements. So I'm waiting, and it has been almost 3 weeks since I've been waiting, and I asked the post office here to at least to call me whenever there's AdSense pin. I'm waiting for the AdSense pin, and after AdSense pin, when your dollar reaches to 100, then they will transfer to your account. The dollar doesn't get transferred easily. It comes at least once in a month, and that too in between 21st of month to 21st to, I don't remember, 25th or something, I don't remember. So they will transfer within that stipulated time. The reason why I'm sharing this is because we have so many potential YouTubers in Bhutan. Bhutanese have so many advantage. We have advantage of language. You see, English is our second language, and most of the Bhutanese speak English. Also, Bhutanese speak Hindi. So India has the highest population in the world, one of the highest populations in the world. Therefore, we can take advantage of that. You can target Indian as an audience, and I definitely know Indians will definitely watch your videos. You can use Hindi, Nepali, and English language to target your audience, and in this way, I'm definitely sure people are going to watch your videos. For me, if you ask me, is this my profession? Then no, this is not my profession. All I'm doing is to spread my lifestyle and also some of the sacred sites in Bhutan to interested people who are not only in Bhutan but across the globe. And as I have wished, I have quite a number of subscribers from Western countries who are really happy to watch my video and learn about my country, Bhutan. So you should also create your own content. No matter even if it is few hundreds of them watching your videos, it is okay, because they are the genuine supporter, genuine people who are really getting touched by your video. So you'll have to think about them and then make videos. So yeah, that's all I could say. There are so many things I can share about YouTube. This video is going to be very lengthy, so it will bore you. But if you really want to know, I can talk about setting your video to private, setting your video to unlisted, how to get your watch hour complete in a very faster way. I do have other ideas, but I think it is going to get video lengthy. That's why I'll stop here. So yeah, if you have any problem, any issues with making YouTube channel, creating AdSense account, creating YouTube account, and also publishing video. You'll have to know how when to publish a video. You cannot publish video anytime you like. You'll have to identify when are your audiences active. So for that reason, I'm asking you to download YouTube Studio app. You can analyze your subscribers time, when they are active, when they are not active. These are very basic, but then it contributes in a very big way. Yeah, that's all for today. And I'm planning to go for pilgrimage, but it is very hard. It is quite challenging considering my studies. With this, if there's a next time, I'll see you in the next vlog. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye for now.